Good morning and welcome to Chapter 3 of Mice and Men. So today we're going to be taking a look at analyzing text through a feminist literary lens. And what you'll need for today is you'll need this note sheet. Okay, it's in your packet. And then, of course, this video. So I would have, if you're using digital stuff, I would have the note sheet in one tab and the video in another. If you're using a paper copy of the packet, then you need to have that packet out in front of you as you're watching the video, because you will complete this sheet as we go along with the video. So without any further delay here, let's get into today's presentation. Okay. All right. So like I said, we're looking at using a feminist literary lens. Try saying that fast 5 times. So your learning target is you'll be able to read Chapter 3 and analyze Of Mice and Men using a feminist lens. Okay, so a feminist lens, it's the lens of women's equality. Okay, imagine literary theory as a pair of lenses through which you view the text you are reading. Okay, so here we have critical lens, here we have our text, and it's how we view the text through that lens. Okay, so what is a literary lens? Okay, literary lenses are also called literary theories, are different ways of looking at the deeper meaning in literature. Literary lenses are like glasses because they change the way that we see things. We'll investigate 3 different lenses in this unit. Okay, the first one we did was Marxist, that was done the other day, and now we're looking at a feminist lens. So we'll get into the core of what we're looking at for today. So feminist key ideas. Society is run and dominated by heterosexual men. Okay? Women and people in the LGBTQIA community are seen as others. By definition, women and people in the LGBTQIA community hold an inferior position in society. And here is, if you want more information on that, is a link. It'll take you to the History Channel. There's an article that talks about feminism. So some central questions to ask when we're using this feminist lens. Number 3. Central questions to ask of a text while using a feminist lens include: how do the characters' gender and sexuality affect their power? Are there traditional gender roles? Do characters follow them? How are characters who do not follow them treated by others? What roles do women have in the text? Are they in minor or prominent roles? What influence does society and culture have on gender roles in the text? Would an LGBTQIA character be accepted by the text? Are men, women, and people of other genders held to the same expectations as others in the text, or are there different rules? Okay, continuing with the feminist lens. If we examine how our own society through a feminist lens, then some of the expectations, rules for men include, okay, so we're looking at being strong and having anger issues, possibly having more money. Okay, so some of the expectations for women include, okay, looking good using makeup, being emotional, loving things. Do you think men, women, and people of other genders have the same amount of power in our society? Explain with examples. Okay, so here we have a video that you're going to watch, that I'll play for you. It's about 2 minutes long. It'll give you some more information. When we're done with that, then you can get into finishing up your notes and continuing with Of Mice and Men.
The word feminism was coined in the 19th century.
Okay, so what you need to do now is, like I said, finish up your notes from this video. If you need to go back and look at it again, you'll have that ability because this video is posted in the folder. You can stop and start. You can go back and look, make sure that you have all of the information, and then you can continue on with Chapter 3 of Mice and Men. If you have any questions, you can just raise your hand and we'll be walking around the classroom. So you can call us over, or however you're more comfortable asking for help, you go ahead and do that. But other than that, go ahead and get going on the rest of Chapter 3 and have a good day.